Yo, what's up everybody? And AI is changing the game in a lot of ways, but one of the most mind-blowing has to be image generation. Like, we're talking about typing in a few words and boom, the AI whips up a picture, a painting, a design, whatever you can imagine. And 2024, this is the year things are getting really interesting. We've got some seriously powerful tools dropping, making it easier than ever to create stunning visuals. Whether you're a seasoned pro designer, a weekend art enthusiast, or just someone who wants to see what all the hype is about, this video is your breakdown of the absolute best AI image generators out there right now. We're talking about the tools that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, from hyper-realistic photos to crazy artistic styles and everything in between. This isn't just some tech demo either. We're going deep on what makes each of these tools unique, what they excel at, and most importantly, which one is the right fit for you and your creative workflow. So, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of AI image generation. First up, we're starting strong with MidJourney. Now, if you've been even remotely plugged into the AI art scene, you've probably already seen MidJourney's work. It's known for creating these incredibly detailed and vivid images, almost like dreamlike, you know? But it's not just about pretty pictures. What sets MidJourney apart is how it captures that artistic feel. We're talking about images that look like they were crafted by a real-life artist with an understanding of light, texture, and color. That's seriously impressive. It's like having a personal concept artist on call 24/7. Think about it. You're working on a game design and you need a specific character, a certain environment, a unique weapon. You can feed MidJourney a few descriptive words, maybe throw in some stylistic cues like cyberpunk or fantasy. It generates a bunch of options that nail the brief. And the detail, man, I'm talking about intricate patterns, realistic textures, lighting effects that just hit different. It's not just generating shapes, it's understanding the nuances of art. And the best part, MidJourney is all about giving you control. With their latest version, you can fine-tune the outputs even further. Don't like how something turned out? Tweak the prompt, adjust the parameters, and watch it iterate in real time. It's like collaborating with the AI to achieve that perfect vision. Honestly, MidJourney is a game changer for artists, designers, anyone who needs that high-quality custom look. It's not just about speeding up the process, it's about unlocking new levels of creativity. Alright, next up we've got DALL-E 3, the brainchild of OpenAI, and let me tell you that this thing is on another level. We're talking about text-to-image generation that's so accurate, so nuanced, it almost feels like magic. But the real magic here is the language comprehension. See, DALL-E 3 doesn't just see words, it understands them. It gets the context, the nuances, the subtle differences in how we use language to describe what we want to see. And that's where it blows everything else out of the water. You can throw crazy detailed prompts at it, like a photorealistic image of a cat wearing a tiny astronaut helmet riding a unicorn on the moon with the Earth in the background, and it won't even flinch. DALL-E 3 will process that, understand every element, and generate something that's shockingly close to what you envisioned. And the versatility, forget about it. This thing can handle anything from photorealistic images to cartoon styles, oil paintings to 3D renders. You can use it for business presentations, social media posts, even just messing around and bringing your wildest ideas to life. But here's the kicker. DALL-E 3 is integrated with ChatGPT. Yeah, you heard that right. You can literally have a conversation with ChatGPT, brainstorm ideas, and then seamlessly tell it to generate images based on your chat. It's like having a creative partner in crime right there in your browser. So if you're looking for a tool that's incredibly accurate, insanely versatile, and just plain fun to use, DALL-E 3 is the one to check out. Chapter 3, Stable Diffusion. The power user's playground now. For all the techies and tinkerers out there, this one's for you. Stable Diffusion is the open source powerhouse that's taking the AI art world by storm, and for good reason. This isn't just another image generator, it's a whole platform for building, customizing, and pushing the limits of what's possible. See, with Stable Diffusion, you're not just limited to pre-trained models. You can actually get your hands dirty and train your own models on custom datasets. That means if you want to create images with a very specific aesthetic, a certain style, or even based on your own artwork, Stable Diffusion gives you the tools to do it. This level of control is what makes it a favorite among developers and artists who want to go beyond the prepackaged experience. It's like having the engine of a car and being able to modify it, tune it, and make it your own. And don't let the open source thing scare you off. Yeah, there's definitely a learning curve if you want to dive deep into the technical side. But even if you're not a coding wizard, there's a huge community of people creating and sharing pre-trained models, plugins, and all sorts of resources to make it easier to get started. So whether you're a developer looking to integrate AI image generation into your projects, or an artist who wants to experiment with creating your own unique style, Stable Diffusion is the ultimate playground for exploration and innovation. Chapter 4, Canva AI Image Generation for everyone. All right, let's be real. Not everyone needs or wants to deep dive into the technicalities of AI image generation. Sometimes you just need something quick, easy, and still looks amazing. That's where Canva comes in, bringing AI-powered design to the masses. Canva's always been about making design accessible, and their text-to-image feature is no different. It's built right into their platform, so you don't need to jump between different apps or learn a whole new interface. If you've used Canva before, you'll feel right at home. And don't let the simplicity fool you. Canva's AI image generator is surprisingly powerful. You can generate images in a ton of different styles, from photorealistic to illustrations, abstract art to social media graphics. What makes it so great for everyday use is how seamlessly it integrates with all of Canva's other tools. You can generate an image, drop it right into your design, add text, elements, filters, and boom, you've got a professional-looking graphic in minutes. Whether you're whipping up a quick social media post, creating a presentation, or even designing a website, Canva's AI image generation makes it ridiculously easy to add that visual flair without needing any design experience. It's the perfect example of how AI can be both powerful and approachable, putting professional-level design tools in the hands of anyone with an idea. Chapter 5, Adobe Firefly, Leveling Up the Pro Workflow. Adobe Firefly is the AI powerhouse designed for pros. If you're in the Adobe ecosystem using Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, this is a match made in heaven. Firefly brings AI image generation into your workflows, making it easier to create high-quality visuals. It's about augmenting your skills, giving you new tools to push creativity further. Imagine needing a specific texture or background in Photoshop. Describe it to Firefly, and it generates options you can integrate into your project. Firefly understands the context of your work. Designing a website, it generates images that match the style. Editing a video, it creates motion graphics that blend with your footage. The game changer is its integration with Adobe's tools. Access Firefly's capabilities without leaving your workflow. Generate images, edit, apply effects, and blend them into your projects. For designers and video editors, Firefly is a must-have. It's the perfect example of AI streamlining workflows and enhancing creativity. So there you have it, guys. Those are the top AI image generation tools absolutely killing it in 2024. From mind-blowing artistic styles to crazy levels of realism, and even tools designed to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow, AI is changing the way we create. But the best part? It's not just about the tech, it's about what you do with it. Each of these tools offers something unique, something special, and ultimately the best one for you depends on your specific needs, your creative goals, and how you want to bring your vision to life. So hit me in the comments. Which one are you most hyped to try out? What kind of crazy creations are you going to cook up? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech and creativity. Peace out.